My first international travel experience. I am heading to South Korea for a 5-day vacation. But it is not as simple as going to Manila. First, you need to secure a visa. If you are from Cebu, you just need to visit the Embassy of Korea in Myeongdong. I would like to share with you the requirements that I submitted for a visa via sponsorship. Annyeonghaseyo! We landed safely in South Korea. The weather was freezing cold. You just need to fill up the health form before you will proceed to the immigration. We secured a T-Money card and a packet Wi-Fi which can be bought after claiming the baggage. We used the bus to go to our accommodation in Myeongdong. The bus station is just outside the arrival area. Our place in Myeongdong is surrounded with convenience stores and restaurants and easy access to tourist attractions. If you will visit South Korea during winter, make sure to prepare an outfit for a -4 to -13 degrees Celsius. 감사합니다. 좋은 하루 되세요.